Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. This is a super cute, fun toy, not for kids, but for me. And this is a spreader from Uniqwamo. I am super impressed by this spreader. It holds a whopping 3 liters of materials, and it's great for spreading salt in the cold wintry months or for spreading seed and fertilizer in spring and summer. It's very rugged and durable, but so easy to control where you are spreading it. That handle is really easy to hold on to, and you can really get a good grip on it while you're doing your spreading. The unit is powered up by a Dewalt battery, so you want to make sure that that is what you're using, so it's compatible. But once you have that set up, it's really easy to adjust using the machine's knob so that you can adjust the coarseness of what you're using as well as the width. So you can really get a wide range while you're using this spreader. I really appreciated that even with our heavy duty rock salt, it worked really well. A little bit of shaking, but once we had that baby up and running, it did an awesome job. I'm also confident that I will definitely be looking forward to using this in spring and summer for all of my springtime gardening, and it will be lots of fun to use my fun little toy. But that's just my point of view.